Some cars define the word classic better than others, and the Mercedes-Benz W108 is certainly one of them. This 1968 280 SE is the epitome of style, and its stunning bodylines, perfect proportions, and abundance of chrome have stood the test of time impeccably. Having undergone an extensive photographic restoration to an incredibly high standard, this W108 not only looks spectacular but drives superbly too, thanks to a few well-considered upgrades, such as a later twin-cam 2.8 engine with column-shift automatic gearbox and a 3.5 back axle for better cruising speeds and fuel economy. The bodywork is exceptional and is perfectly complemented by the immaculate chrome fixtures and fittings, plus the refurbished Mexican hat alloys. Inside, the original black leather interior has aged perfectly, and the wood trims and carpets are all excellent. There are also electric windows front and rear along with armrests front and rear, and occupants benefit from recently fitted inertia seatbelts too. The performance from the upgraded engine and drivetrain is a very welcome improvement to the car, which makes it ideal for operating at modern-day speeds.
This channel OldBenz. Thank you for your attention. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel.